Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I bought this today, an original Clodbuster. It's 26 years old. You can see it, it's all beat up. It's old. It has some flaws. I saw some minor things that are broken and stuff, so I have to fix it anyway. So, but it even comes with this one. Look, it's great. But now is the big question. What do I have to do with it? Do I have to put it in an original state? What do you think? Do I make a basher out of it? Do I upgrade it a little? Like stronger motors and everything? Or do I make it brushless? Leave it down in the comments. The most comments win. That's what direction I'm going. So, I'm anxious. I don't know what to do. Tell me, please. Thank you. Bye.